Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now let's see the title of our project. Beyond Text QA, Multimedia Answer Generation by Harvesting Web Information. Now let's see the abstract of our project. In general, community question answering is a system which is used to retrieve the information for the query raised by the client. And in existing automated QA system, the information that is generated is purely in textual form, which is inefficient for the users. Suppose, consider if the users raise the question, who is Bill Gates? This query needs multimedia data such as the visual representation of that personality. So, in existing automated system failed to provide the multimedia data for the query given by the client. The information provided by the system is inaccurate for the users because in the existing automatic queue system it will not analyze the real intention of the query given by the client. Just analyze the key pattern that is present in the user's query and then retrieve the information regarding the key pattern query given by the client. So we're gonna propose a efficient automated QA system which will analyze the query given by the client and enhance the information by adding the appropriate multimedia data for the query raised by the client. There are three components involved in our project. It's first, answer medium selection. In this answer medium selection, we're gonna analyze the query, that is, which query should need the multimedia data and which is not. Suppose, consider if the users raise the question, when was India got independent, present historical moment. So notes the time period. So for this kind of questions, it's enough to provide a textual answers without multimedia data. Suppose, consider if the user raise the question like, what is a pen? This query need the visual representation of the object pen along with the description of the pen, right? So in this answer medium selection, we're going to analyze the question to provide the multimedia data for the query given by the client. Next is query generation for the multimedia search. In this phase, we are going to analyze the key pattern present in the as I said, just consider what is a pen. In this query, the key pattern is pen. This is an object. We're going to search the multimedia data for the key pattern. The next phase is multimedia data selection and presentation. After acquiring the key pattern in the query, we're gonna search our database by the key pattern which suits that query or the key pattern. See, the process that are involved in our project is, first we're gonna analyze our question to select which query should need some multimedia data and which is not. Then we're gonna analyze the key pattern present in the query. Then third one is we're gonna search our database for the key pattern present in the query and then retrieve the information regarding the key pattern. We are just going to enhance the textual information along with this multimedia data to provide a efficient information for the users. Okay, now let's see the flow diagram of our project. There are four processes involved in our project. First one is offline search. In this offline search, users are going to provide a query and we are going to search the information for the query in our database. Let's see. Suppose here, if the user writes the query, then as I said, we are going to analyze the query, that is, which query should need the multimedia data and which is not. If the query needs some multimedia data, we're going to analyze the key pattern present in the query and we're going to select the multimedia data in that database regarding the key pattern present in the query. As I said, consider the query what is pen. In this query, as I said, which is the pen is the key pattern. So we're going to find the multimedia data regarding the pattern name called pen. Then we're gonna retrieve the information regarding the key pattern. We're gonna search our database for the key pattern present in the query along with the description of the query, and we're gonna combine every description of the query as well as the multimedia data, and then we just represent the information to the users. This is an offline search. Then the next one is source warehouse. In the source warehouse, we are using the Wikipedia dataset, which contains the more information as well as the HTML dataset. In this way, we are going to analyze the key pattern in the query. After getting the key pattern, we are going to
search a Wikipedia dataset for the key pattern along with the multimedia data. After getting the information regarding the key pattern, we are going to retrieve the information from the Wikipedia. Just present the information to the users. The next one is file warehouse. In this file warehouse, it consists of Yahoo datasets. As like previous, here also, if the user provide the query, we are gonna analyze the key pattern present in the query, and that for the key pattern, we are going to search our Yahoo Answers datasets and retrieve the information this provide to the users. Next one is online search. Online search is common online search. Like if suppose if the user writes the query, we're gonna search the query in online through our web browser component in our Windows form. Now let's see our project.
Hi, this is our home screen of our project. Let's give a query. Let's search our query. First one, as I said, first one is offline search. Let's give it. See, since it's a question, who is Abdul Kalam? In this query, you just need a visual representation, not a brief description. So see, this query gives a description about the Abdul Kalam as well as the image of that personality. Because since this question is who, it should need some visual representation regarding the object in the query. But since it's a video information will be hidden, let's change our query. We are going to search the location of the Himalaya. Let's search. See, since it just need a brief description, we are just going to provide the information regarding the query as well as the image visual representation as well as the brief description regard. For this kind of query, the multimedia data will be enabled. Let's click and see. This is the video of the query. Let's change our query. Now let's give search. The query denotes the time period. It's enough to provide a textual information, not the multimedia data. It just exclude the multimedia data regarding the query. Okay, let's see the source warehouse. Here we are raising the query to get the information regarding the piano. As I said previously, in this source warehouse, the parts just retrieves the information regarding the key pattern piano and just retrieve it in this. Now let's see about the file warehouse. Let's provide a in this query the key pattern is network. Then we have to search the file warehouse. See, in this file warehouse will be consisting of huge number of Yahoo Answers datasets, which will be available in the D directory. As I said previously, this online search will be go through the Google search, right? If we provide a query, it will be searching. It will perform the Google search and it will be displaying in the web browser component in a Windows form. Now let's say the admin process. This will be the admin. We have to click submit. We have to give a caption for that image. Just click upload. Provide the caption like while. It will be taking some time because since there will be a conversion. Yeah, it just got uploaded successfully. Here there will be a graph which denotes the query which is frequently searched by the clients. Here we go to select generate graph. Since see the bigger area denotes this what is India. This query is most frequently searched by the users. Since it's denote okay, then just we can able to sign. Now this is all about our automated QA system named Beyond Text QA Multimedia Answer Generation. Thank you.